Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy section. In it, tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Finally, hit one of your apps and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so when I click on it, in this case with Messages app, I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. So now when I click on the back button, as you can see, Messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always pick any app and then select See All Meet Permissions at the bottom instead. Then manage all of them only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!